And finally, to our special segment, Resurgent Africa. Amid reports of coups and crises that dominate the headlines from the continent, we get you positive stories that often get overlooked. In a stunning revelation that's turning the animal kingdom on its head, scientists have discovered that African elephants call each other by unique names. The study has brought to light a whole new level of elephant communication, proving once again that these gentle giants are socially smart. Our final report reveals how these majestic creatures stay connected across the vast savannah.
The animal kingdom never ceases to amaze with its diversity and complexity. From the intricate dances of honeybees to the sophisticated vocalizations of whales, animal behavior is a rich tapestry. It offers endless fascination and insight into the natural world. For years, scientists have delved into the mysteries of animal behavior. They have been seeking to understand how different species communicate, socialize, and interact. This field of study has revealed the intelligence and adaptability of animals. Researchers employ various methods to decode the complex behaviors exhibited by animals in the wild. And now, scientists have uncovered yet another remarkable facet of animal behavior, this time involving one of the planet's most majestic creatures, the African elephant.
Elephants are highly social, highly vocal species, and we know there's a lot going on with their communication, but we haven't been able to decipher much. It's quite complicated, the structure of their calls, and we know that if we could get insight into what they're saying, we could really get a new perception on how they think.
In a study published in Nature Ecology and Evolution, researchers have revealed that African elephants are capable of responding to individual names. These names are conveyed through complex low-frequency rumbles that can travel long distances across the savannah. This makes them one of the few wild animal species known to do so.
We undertook this study by recording elephants. They speak infrasonically and sonically, so about half of the sound in their call is below our level of hearing, so we actually cannot hear it. And so we had to use a special microphone to record these calls. And we also had to be quite close to them because sound attenuates with distance. And so we wanted to get all the structure in that call in order to try to study what's actually going on.
The study, led by biologists from Colorado State University's Warner College of Natural Resources, used machine learning to identify these unique vocalizations. They listened to recordings made in Kenya's Samburu National Reserve and Amboseli National Park. The team tested their findings by playing these sounds back to the elephants. They observed that the animals responded more energetically, with their ears flapping and trunk lifting, to calls that included their names. The researchers meticulously followed these elephants in jeeps. They documented who called out and who responded. For instance, a mother calling her calf or a matriarch summoning a lagging family member provided clear examples of this name-calling behavior.
And then other times she gives seemingly a very similar call, and nobody will respond, nobody will react to that call except for a single elephant in the group. And that elephant will respond or come up to her or whatever. And so that sort of indicates that they have a means by which to communicate who they want to talk to.
Naming animals such as dolphins and parrots share the ability to learn unique new sounds throughout their lives. And now this is a trait that's also seen in elephants. The discovery that African elephants use individual names to communicate adds a new layer to understand these incredible animals. It shows the complexity of their social structures and the sophistication of their communication methods. As research continues, humans may uncover even deeper insights into the minds of these majestic creatures. It will reinforce the importance of its conservation. Truly, the more we learn about the animal kingdom, the more we realize how much there is still to discover.
Obviously today, the T20 World Cup band has moved across to the West Indies. What can we expect